I just received some new boxers from David Archy, and these are some of my favorite boxers. I dig this company and what they do with their boxers. So let me show you what's in the package. So this is a package of 4, and ooh, ho, ho, ho. These are nice. So right off the bat, the material is super soft. It's so great. So nice against your skin. This waistband looks very nice. Looks nice and wide. It's not going to roll on you. And on the inside, let's see. Oh yeah, we've got the pouch. Nice big pouch, nice and long. Keeps your boys happy, if you know what I mean. So this is a gray color. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have a nice blue color. Ooh, that's a good color. It's kind of a bluish gray. It's a very nice touch. And then the last 2, I believe, are black. Oh, no. This is navy. It's a very nice color. So you can see the navy with the black waistband. And then the last one, this one must be black. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, fantastic. Black on black. And one thing that I noticed, and this is true with their other boxers, there's no seams. No seams. No seams. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. These are amazing. I recommend them.